Hello everyone, so today I just want to show you my new project. I've done it on paper just to make it a lot easier. I'm not very good at doing it on like SketchUp and 3D programs, so I like to do this kind of thing in my mind. I can make measurements a lot more easy and know how it's going to look. So I just want to show you basically. Livestream.com have a shop and there's a portable HD encoding computer, and it's basically a nice big screen, good processor, couple of hard drives and a Blackmagic Design Intensity Pro, and that takes in SDI and HDMI and ports out SDI and HDMI as well. So I want to make the same thing, but I'm just going to use the Intensity Pro, the single card one with the HDMI on, and I want to make it so I can also do a little bit of 3D work on this, live 3D work and maybe After Effects. So when we do movies on my new movie channel, which I'm not really going to talk about too much. So this is the drawing. This is the main compartment, the big bit. It's a flight case I'm building this out of. I'll put all the components in and stuff. So as you can see, I've got a tray here. This is a Lee motherboard tray, and these hold ATX motherboards and allows you to put them anywhere basically. So that's what that's going to be. I've got some fans at the top to let out some heat. I've got a nice big monitor here for doing everything on. And at the other side, so this is the left side, this is the right side here, I've got Parrot in. I've got this nice little thing from CPC. It's a IEC in with switch and what's it called, fuses. It's got one fuse on it, which is quite good. I've got a temperature gauge so I know how hot it is in the system. Here I've got some on-off LEDs and hard drive LEDs. Got a big 140 fan for main intake here. Underneath I've got another 120 as well. And down here I've got 5¼ inch for a caddy system that I've got, well I'm getting, and that allows me to swap a hard drive in and out, so I can record onto the hard drive and swap in another one if that one gets full, or if I want to send the data to a other computer or to storage. Inside it's going to have a 64GB SSD in for boot and the software like After Effects, Vid Blaster, that kind of thing. So yeah, I just wanted to show you. In the lid of the case, so the lid goes over the main bit here to cover the monitor. It's going to hold the keyboard, mouse. It's also going to have a pocket up here for some stuff. So yeah, I think it's going to be quite good. I'll put pictures up during the video to show you the basic ideas. And yeah, so I hope you like it. I'm going to be putting out some videos over the week. I've got quite a lot on my desk already, so it shouldn't be long now. And hopefully you'll watch, and if you're not already, subscribe.